The mindset that turns $1,000 traders into millionaires, it's not confidence, it's not motivation, it's not intelligence, it's not watching more videos. It's one shift, and it's actually simple, but it's not easy. When I say millionaire, I don't mean fast. I mean traders who last long enough for compounding to work. Most traders lose money for one reason. They treat trading like a video game. They think more action means more progress, more trades, more indicators, more strategies. But the traders who actually make it do the opposite. They simplify. The truth is, money doesn't come from intensity. Let me say this clearly. Millionaire traders aren't intense. They are not hyped. They are not emotional. They are not trying to win today. They are consistent. They show up and they do the same thing whether they feel good or not. And that mindset is rare because most people don't want a system. They want a moment. They want a big win, a huge candle, a crazy day. They want the market to save them, but the market doesn't save anyone. Here's the mindset that changes everything. Stop trying to make money and start trying to execute. That's it. If you focus on execution, money becomes a side effect. If you focus on money, execution disappears. Because money makes you emotional. Money makes you chase. Money makes you force trades. A lot of traders start with $1,000. And they all say the same things. I just need a bigger account. I just need a better strategy. I just need one good trade to get ahead. But that thing is exactly what keeps them small. Because the problem isn't the account size, it's the habits. If your habits aren't profitable with $1,000, they won't be profitable with $100,000. You just lose it faster. So what profitable traders do different then? Profitable traders aren't trying to be right. They are trying to be repeatable. They don't ask, can I win this trade? They ask, can I repeat this decision 100 times? That's how you think like a real trader. Simple is the edge. Most traders confuse complexity with skill. More indicators equal more confidence. More time frames equals more certainty. More traders equals more opportunity. But real skill is this: seeing less and doing better. One setup, one plan, one entry rule, one stop rule, one execution. Not because you are limiting yourself, but because you are removing temptation. The 4 rules millionaire traders live by. Here's what turns small traders into big traders. Number 1, they protect capital like it's oxygen. Not because they are scared, but because they understand one truth. If you lose the ability to trade, you lose the game. Number 2, they don't need to trade every day. They don't force trades. They don't make the day count. They don't overtrade. They wait. Number 3, They accept boredom. This one is huge. The best traders look bored because boredom means they are not reacting, they are executing. Number 4, they detach from outcomes. This is the hardest part. They understand a good trade can lose and a bad trade can win. So they stop judging themselves based on one result. They judge themselves on one thing. Did I follow my plan? The biggest lie in trading is more effort equals more money. That's not how trading works. In trading, the more you force, the more you lose. Trading rewards patience, discipline, and repetition, not excitement, not hustle, not adrenaline. So what's the mindset? Here it is. Your account grows when your decisions stop changing. Read that again. Your account doesn't grow because you are smart. It grows because you stop doing random things. You stop improvising. You stop chasing. You stop breaking your rules. You stop touching trades that aren't yours. If you want to think like a millionaire trader, don't look for the next tragedy. Look for the next rule you need to stop breaking, because there's always one. For some traders, it's revenge trading, it's sizing too big, it's enter too early, it's moving stops, it's taking trades out of boredom. Fix one leak, then fix the next, and the next. That's the whole path. The mindset that turns $1,000 traders into millionaires is simple. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Because in the long run, simple wins. Repeatable wins. Process over profits wins. Discipline over dopamine wins. That's the mindset most traders skip, and it's why most never get there.